my starting of my YouTube YouTube account, my channel, because the past is Otatay Street Facebook account. I displaying my Otatay Street Facebook account in the San Andres Hospital because so many using my Facebook account in no actual video recording of who I am. So many assuming Rolihan, Anyabesan, De La Cruzan, Otatay Streetan, that is my guitar instrument of Dream Maker. Otatay is the body of the guitar, Street is the neck of the head of the guitar. And the word Enoch, Mateo, the word of the string of the guitar, only the guitar instrument I use. So many songs I create for the band, and my original who I am is happy, and I improvement myself. But so very nonsense.
Guys, nandito kami guys.
All is completing my song
Guys, putakin mo.
and my creation of the guitar
Ayun ka bansot.
and all my business.
Minuan na ako. Ayun
That is the
ka,
child
ayun,
of
Kuli. Ano?
Hana,
Ano? Ano?
and Alfredo.
Ano? 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 Ano?
When I dispel my Facebook account,
Oh,
so not
putakin
using
mo.
again the nonsense people, the word of assuming, because in the secret knowledge and power, the word of secret and the thinking to complete your body. That's the reason the genius people creative is did not differ meaning because only the thinking, but the people is mulling my knowledge because did not knowing of the test of the old man and women buntot pagi tawak poison, all that is for killing of the word of demon. But if you have no idea, you are dying, and I must giving the punishment to myself, the word of cemetery hell, and the all punishment is into my body, that's all is disappearing. The one question to the people, what is the difference of the God? Demon. What is the difference of Ama? Mama. That's all is disappearing. Oah is the word of the demon. Oak. That's the reason no sickness is the people. Only the process of the mother and father giving the punishment, physical, cells, and then connected to the spirit world. Only the father and mother giving the sicknesses and giving the loving and giving the sicknesses. Based on the creation of the people, creation of the child, that is the sicknesses. Only 8 days I correctioning my channel, and so na maybe later I fix my video recording to good quality. I editing because this is my trial to myself. If I have a talent, if my all studying at the past is going to the good purposes, it's a very nonsense teaching at the past. Did not teaching the original type. About the girl is nonsense.
Kanta ka.
You're so very hard for understanding. In the future, you are nonsense. You're the word of
Yung ano
caring of your child mas good
Ipatugtog mo sa bangki.
because your childhood is so very suffering. And you caring of your child is so very nonsense, and you are talking in nonsense. What you teaching your child? You have no child because my child is a boy. I have my power because the boy. If your child is a girl, you have a power because you are the girl. If you are not the father of the child, you have no power to the child. The power
Shit.
is from the father. Because the child is creating the reincarnating life of the father, the word of the against the life. And the people must upping the nonsense thinking while using the reflection. If the people have a family member, you must giving the freedom to the family member. Going to the family, not to the broken family nonsense. Because my family is a broken family. my mother and my father, that is a broken family in the future at the past, so very good, so very happy. But in the future, my father have a broken family and my mother, the same at this. Freedom of my life. That's the reason I can give the original time of my body. Because the child is a boy. That is my body. The connection of the stomach, that is my thinking and the land. Now, he is in the spirit guy. But the people. That's the reason I can give my own original time for my reincarnating life as a new body, as a child. In me, I can build again my life. But so very hardful to bringing back my original time because so very nonsense teaching.
Nakasuaga.
Mhm.
Nakangarap kaya. Bukod ka mo. Dara pa nga yung gapo.
The people telling, I have a girl. Oh, what the nonsense. At the past of my life, I have a girl. But when the word of the family member, I did not want. Because the girl, only the happiness, not for the longest happiness. I want the girl, the people, hearing my storytelling, because the storytelling from my own thinking, that is my own original childhood, and reflecting to his childhood. Now, if she did not understanding in he, if you have a pair, that is nonsense. Up in the AdSense and my thinking.
Live ba no matagas?
Hmm? Up. Mhm.
Atay lang.
If you family member, girl and boy, if you have a
Abada.
carry,
Arriba.
if you have a care
Arriba. Arriba.
to the people,
Sahur-sahur.
just give the answer, not the
Ipatugtog
nonsense
mo
one.
yung arriba. Sahur-sahur. Ipatugtog mo
Because
ba?
I did so very slightly little money counting to my front of me, but his life is not good. My life at the childhood, you are not surviving to my reflecting. You are not surviving in my family member. The suffering of the punishment. Only one
Gamit mo yan sa screen mo.
of the punishment to your life. You are crying
Ata, kawal doon.
and you are dying.
Ata,
Not easy the discipline from my own original
Galing ako
family.
lang no.
Mas good. You are dying in the discipline. If you are still alive, a nonsense people. I am not paranoid to talk to in English.
Ooh.
I storytelling about the clock. Sometimes come into my present. It's my old time.
Yan.
And sometimes come into my present.
Ano?
It's my
Ay.
youngest time. Oh, youngest life. Old life. Oh, youngest life. The word of old and baby. That's the reason. Sometimes
Guys.
I remember my playing as a toy.
Ayun
I remember my playing the word of toy